Have you ever thought about starting a trucking business but you don't have a CDL? Maybe you can start a box truck business. I'm Caroline, your trucking business professor here at the Bobtail Help Desk, here to show you how. First up, starting your business on paper. You're going to get registered, get an EIN, and get all the licenses and permits you need, like a DOT number and an MC authority. Your needs are going to vary between interstate and intrastate commerce. You also definitely need a business bank account. This will help you separate your personal and business assets. Of course, you need your truck and commercial trucking insurance. You can buy, finance, or lease. Now it's time to get loads. Check out load boards like DAT, 123 Load Board, and truckstop.com. I hope that helps. Follow for more.